Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jacob Games, and today we're going to be doing a vehicle simulator video. I haven't played this game in a while, I know. It's Season 2 in this game, and I've been missing out on a lot of things on this thing. on the vehicle simulator. So let's just play it. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, there's a Cybertruck, there's a golf cart, police improvements, tornadoes. I haven't been on this game since 2018. Yeah, let's hop right in. Alright guys, so as you see, I'm in the vehicle simulator, and as you see, as we played before, this was not here. Any of this was not here. Any of these wheels, Hot Wheels, ramps, courses was not here, so might as well go try it out. I tried it out before I made this video, but let's just still do it. Alright, let's go with... Bugatti. Doo-doo. What's this? I'm gonna do a ramp jump. No, I missed it, bro. That's so stupid. Come on. Oh my god. Let's do this. Whoa. No! Oh, I still completed it. Let's do this one. Yeet. Oh man. Bugatti is very bad turning. Oh, gotta do my job. I found a car on the side of the road. So, gotta, pick that up, you know what I mean? Okay, let's, actually pick this car up. Okay. Pick that up. Let's go. Oh, I gotta turn on my job first. What am I doing, bro? Perks. Tow truck. On duty. On the car. I'm gonna turn on insanity so I can go faster. Holy god. Oh my god. Dude, I'm doing wheelies or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I'm pulling a car that weighs a ton. 2 tons or something. Oh my god, I'm doing so much wheelies. It's actually insane. This is where it goes, right? What in the name of Johnson? What? Alright. I don't know how I'm supposed to get that thing off, so just going to literally just get a new car. Because that car cannot get. Yeah, let's drive an old-fashioned bus today, buddies. Alright, let's make a turn on that one. Oh my god, are you kidding? Try to race me now. Dude, you're getting smoked by a bus. You get schooled. Let's do it again. Alright, guys. So, I decided that we're going to be doing some wheelies in our Tesla Model X. This car. I know what you're thinking. This car cannot do wheelies. But, is that true? Wah! Oh! Whoa. Oh my god! No! I pressed the wrong button, bro. What is my car doing? Alright. Alright, so we're gonna turn on sanity mode. And we're gonna see if this car can do some flips. My tire got... My tire! Oh my god! It's so stupid, bro. Alright, guys. You ready to be shocked? Alright, let's do it. Let's turn on my sensitivity of my mouse, because that's freaking annoying. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, bro! I thought I had that. Alright, I won't do it. Oh! I landed that! Alright, I won't do a flip. Alright. So, let's see. How long this monster truck can last in the water. This car's pretty tough, if you ask me. I don't think I'll be able to fit. Yeah, about that. We can't fit. This car's way too slow. So we're going to turn on insanity. And yeah, so let's just go. It goes over one. You know what I mean? I'm kidding. Oh, I can't fit again. Yeah, let's do it, bro. Alright. So I got my car into the water. And let's see if it handles well. Hey, look, we're gonna be doing. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it still pops out. Hey, can I do a race, please? Alright, that car did not handle that well. But it's time to stop messing around. Let's go do some races. In our Pagani Zonda. Pagani Zonda. Woo! Oh my god. Alright, let's go. Invited, and that's going to be that. Alright guys, I'll be back when we're racing. Alright guys, we can't find out a race because no one's joining. So let's just, how about we retry again because no one's joining. Let's do this again and let's hope someone joins because no one's joining. It's being annoying. Oh, and someone joined. Alright, let's do this. Ready to smoke them. War! Oh, that's not my best. What did I get? 5.954. That's okay, but I mean, for this car, I don't really recommend that score. I'll do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, Veneno. You really want to get crushed. Alright. Veneno it is. Veneno. Oh, we're racing. Whoa. Oh my god. No, bro. That's not happening. What? Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, bro. Nope, no, I was looking at the screen. Alright, bro. No, I'm not. That's not happening. We're doing that again. No way. No way, bro. Wasn't looking at the screen. We're doing that again. Oh my god. Come on. Ugh. What the hell? Bro, this car, bro, is so annoying. I got 5.9, now I'm getting low scores, bro. I need to get this car out. Alright, let's restart it again. Dude, what is going on? Oh my god, one more time, and that's it. Oh god, oh god. Alright guys, that's how you basically do a wheelie. Okay, let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did not think that was gonna happen. But don't worry guys, I'll get my revenge, don't worry. I'll get my revenge. The kid might have got a better startup than I did, but I did better at 5.9 the first time. I don't know why I couldn't get it the second time. Alright, let's do this. So, let's go. Let's go, bro! 5.7! Let's go! Dude, that's my all-time best with this car. Oh my god, man. 5.7? Bro, I'll fight him again. Fight me again. I dare you, bro. Alright, guys. So this will be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And peace out.